Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to change language on your iPhone 7 Plus. So let's get started. So first of all you need to go your mobile settings and just tap on your settings. When you tap on it, a new interface will open on your screen just like this. Here you can see option of general, just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface will open on your screen just like this. Here when you scroll down the screen, there is a you can see a option of language and region. Okay, just tap on it. When you tap on language and region, you can see a new interface just like this. Here you can see a option of iPhone language. Okay, just tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see a lot of languages. Choose as you need, choose anyone as your wish. Okay, when you select the language, a option of done at the top of the screen you can see. Okay, just tap on done. Okay, when you tap on done, the language of your mobile phone is changed. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.